Hi everybody, I'm back. Today I'm going to fix you some strawberry pie. And these are the ingredients. Very simple. I have Ready Crust chocolate. I have condensed milk, strawberry Kool-Aid, Cool Whip, and strawberries. Now, we're going to get this started. What I'm going to do is move this stuff up a little bit. And as you can see, I already cut up my strawberries. And I got 2 more to go. And I just thought I'd show you guys how I did it. I just cut off the top part. And then I sliced them straight down. Repeat it and slice down. Alright, so my strawberries are already ready. Now, my pie crust. Now, I'm going to open up Cool Whip. And I'm going to spoon in enough for that 1 pie shell. I think that'll do it. That should do it. Yeah. Okay. Now, I'm going to pour in 1 can of condensed milk. Can you hand me that spoon over there, please? Right there. Of course, you guys know I'm not in my own kitchen, no, the smaller one. I'm away from home. But still, even when I'm away from home, I think about doing videos. Somebody out there need to look at my videos. Hopefully a whole lot of somebody's. Now, I'm going to pour in. And like I said, make sure it's Kool-Aid. Well, make sure it's unsweetened Kool-Aid. You definitely want unsweetened Kool-Aid because the condensed milk in the crust is sweet enough. Now, I'm going to mix this up. It smells so good. I'm going to mix another pack of Kool-Aid and use your own discretion. Some people like it stronger than others. Now this is strawberry, but it's a new strawberry, and it's lighter than the original strawberry. But you want to make sure you mix it real good. Get all the white streaks out. This is very delicious. I've had it before, and it's very easy to make. So, especially you girls want to, or guys, want to impress that special significant someone, fix this for them and they think you've been in the kitchen at least 3-4 hours. So, and it do get thicker as you stir it. I think that about does it. That about does it. Okay. Now, for my crust, I gotta open it up like this. Okay. All right. And if you look on the back of here, they also give you recipes. It's called a cheat sheet sometimes. Okay, now I'm going to put my cream into here. All right. Oh, yeah, it is thick. Let's see. You want to make sure it's, ooh, I made quite a bit. Put some of that for another pie. Got another pie crust over there. You want to make sure it's smooth. My son, one of my sons, I used to make him some chocolate pie, I'm sorry. Chocolate pie in these crusts. And man, it was like he didn't want to share. Till I told him I wasn't going to make it no more. Let's see, I got it up on the sides a little. It's okay, just put it down. It's thick enough. Okay. You know what? I'm going to show you a little something I like to do with mine. I'll be right back. Take a butter knife and make a design like so. Then turn it the other way. Just make ziggity lines. Like that. And now it's time for the strawberries. Now, some of these are quite big. Push them down in there a little. Some of them are big, some of them are not. You know what, I'm going to do it like this. See, looking for the big ones. Like so. make any kind of design you want. Now, looking for the smaller ones. I'm going to put them up like this. I hope you can see this real good. Hope you can see this real good. Go ahead, sweetie. It's gonna keep knocking. Okay. I'm trying to find the smaller ones. The big, small, big, small. Okay. One more little one. Come on, come on. No more little ones? Yes. Got one more little one. Now. There we go. Now I'm going to do it like this. You can make any design you want. Because it is your creation. Let's see. Move over. No. Too bad I don't have one. You know what? Look here. There we go. There we go. Now look. Isn't that nice? Now, you want to let this sit in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. Make sure it's good and firm. And once this is complete, I'll be back to show you a complete strawberry pie. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe below, view, like, share. T appreciates it. Okay, I'll be back.